Go.
2, 1, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Good job.
Round 2.
Let's do it again. Are you ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Good job.
Round 3.
We're gonna step forward. Both legs. Come on.
3, 2, 1,
Let's go. Come on. Step on your heel. Come on. Woo-hoo. Good job. Stretch those hands. Woo-hoo. You can feel the band. Just hand it there. Come on. Woo-hoo.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop.
Mamma mia. Come on.
Round 4.
Round 4 we're gonna do
3, 2, 1,
one step at a time. Come on. Good job. Come on. Come on. Remember it's Monday. We are doing good so far.
5,
The energy is giving.
3, 2, 1, stop.
Good job. Let's do it again.
Round 5.
Come on. Are you ready?
3, 2, 1,
Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Mamma mia. Come on.
Round 6.
You're gonna reach to it. One leg at a time.
3, 2, 1, go.
Come on. Now reach to that heel. Come on. Come on. You got this, okay? Woo-hoo.
5, 4,
Thank you for the roses.
3, 2, 1, stop.
Merci
Tip to
beaucoup.
bottom.
Oh, thank you.
Are you ready?
Yes.
5, 4,
Let's just start going.
2, 1,
Let's go. Thank you so much. I appreciate the love.
Round 1.
Woo-hoo. Thank you for loving me. Woo-hoo.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop.
Merci, 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 merci. Gracias.
Round 2.
Let's do it again.
3, 2, 1,
Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Good job. Now we're going to reach our
Round
toes.
3.
Come on. Are you ready?
3, 2, 1,
Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Good job, everyone. Come on, we're going to reach on the floor.
round 4.
Are you ready?
3, 2, 1,
Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop.
We're going to repeat that again. Come on.
Round 5.
Let's do it again. Same move.
3, 2,
close and open. Close the leg and open. Come on. You got this, okay? If you are here for the first time and you are just doing it for the first time, just hang it there, okay? You are in the right place, okay? Make sure to follow.
3, 2, 1, stop.
Woohoo!
Round 6. 3, 2, 1,
Let's
go.
go. Thanks for the share. Woohoo! I appreciate you all. Come on. Come on. There's no excuse. You can bring the gym to your home.
5,
You can sit down and work hard.
3, 2, 1, stop. Tip
Okay.
your body up.